Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Do you have young artists in the house that always mistake your painted walls for canvas? Do you have those little professors that just won't stop scribbling on the walls even after you've told them not to do so? If you are in this situation, don't worry. I'm going to show you an easy peasy way to remove those crayons from your painted walls without damaging the paint. You only need two items found in your kitchen. One of the ingredients used in crayons production is wax. So we need very hot water to help remove the wax from the wall. The water should not be too hot though that you can't dip your hands inside. The next thing we need is a liquid detergent, most preferably Dawn. This is the brand that I've used and I'm sure that it works. But feel free to try out other brand of detergents that you have. Lastly, we need a sponge. We are going to use the sponge to scrub the wall in a circular motion. Now, the only thing you need to do is to wear patience like a robe and scrub, 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 okay? Just scrub in a circular motion and intermittently rinse off your sponge in a bowl of water and then keep on scrubbing. You will see the crayons leave your walls like magic. The most interesting thing I love about this water and detergent solution is that it doesn't ruin your paint. I've tried in the past to remove crayons from painted walls. I tried using alcohol swabs and it ended up removing the paint from the wall. So that is not an option. Don't do it. You end up ruining your painted walls. Let me know in the comment section if you also have a young artist in the house that mistakes your painted walls for a canvas. This is the end result. This is the outcome. And as you can see, it is looking good. The black spots you see there is from when I tried to use an alcohol swab to clean off the paint and it ended up ruining the paint. That's why I said you shouldn't try it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one.